All right, guys, I'm going to share with you how I position these trades. In this case here, we're not pressured or anything. We just have we just have a credit here of 55 cents. Where I placed the trade, it was $2.40 or $2.30. That's when I placed the trade, but right now it's at 55 cents. Okay. So right now, what I'm going to do is these are the current positions now, 72.75, 72.50. Now I'm going to move that down, okay? There, now it's $1. So I'm looking at the the delta here. It's at 4 cents. And so I'm going to move it down a little bit more, and that'll give me a bit more. This will give me a bit more discount, or not discount, but premium, and it's a great way to add additional premium when we have the position here that's so far away from the market, and it's just an easy way to do this. Okay, so right now I'm going to review this. Okay, so we're going to get additional credit here. Okay, so $640, and then let's see where it goes. So the activity here is at 165, so I'm going to move it down to 160, and that should give it. No, didn't get it yet. See, okay, yeah, the market's moving down a little bit. See if we can get it here, a little pop. Give it a little chance here. Okay, we'll give it a little chance. Almost there. I can move it down a little bit. It's not a big deal. Yeah, let's move it down. Okay. So I'm going to get it down to 55, and we'll close that out. Still there, huh? There it is. Okay. Okay. Now we got that. So now the credit is 195. Very, very, very stable. And that's basically how I manage or adjust these trades. And I know that you wanted to get one where it was pressured, but we just need to wait a little bit until we get that position. Okay. All right, guys. Hopefully this helps, and we'll see you on the other side. Thanks.